guys, welcome back again to our TikTok. So we are here to teach you guys how to do the cough dance challenge. Yeah. My name is Grace.
I'm Shubi.
The Nyash girl. Okay, so let's do this. So step one. I hope you all know how to do this. So step one, you do that as you dig your arms inside. So like one, then loud. So 1, 2, hit, up. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, hit, up. So from here, we are going to step 4 steps going this side. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here, we're going to grab our love.
Okay.
So let's do it again. Grab our love away. Okay, let's do it again. Grab our love away. 1, 2, 3. So after you grab your love away, you will do your hair like that. I don't know what's the name of that step. Yes. 1, 2, then you slide. 1, 2, 3. Jump back. After you jump back, we're going in with this step, going to this side. By the way, this is my right side and this is my left side. So yeah, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump back, hit, go down slow. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. How many? 4. Jump back in, hit, go down. 1, 2, 3. We go back to grabbing our love. Grab, up, kick, down. 1, 2, 3. Jump back. You know what you're doing after jumping back. Let's go.
And 1, 2, 3, and
So, with this step, it's very simple. Guys, it's very simple. Your back is doing the thing. Like 1, 2. You're doing like, your arms are doing like you're running, but you're not running. You run with your back. Let's do this. I am in music now.
I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm